I guess the primary advantage to a design build project is when we get in early, we can verify infrastructure. We can make sure that the design that we intend to implement is ready to roll because we've all worked together as a team, the electrician, the HVAC team, the architect, the GC. We're all partnering together to make sure that this project is successful. Part of what we do in a design build project is verify infrastructure as construction is moving along. We're going to install a projection screen here. It's a very tight area because of the ductwork, so we've ordered a low profile screen and we're working in conjunction with the HVAC folks to make sure that everything fits properly above the ceiling. We're also going to have a 10-foot custom credenza right here, and it's going to butt right up against this column, and we're going to verify all the proper connectivity that's needed and make sure that that's there prior to installation. And then also they will be doing a core drill at the board table location. We're working with the interior design company there. They're going to verify the exact locations for that core drill based on the furniture.
Alrighty, so last week we made a big long list of things that were major things to work on before this coming Monday when you guys move in with the people. So I'd like to go down that.
I'm standing here in our new office space, and we are getting to the final stages of our project and close to moving in. And reflecting back, looking on this design build process, I can't have asked for a better experience because, we had a single point of contact. We've kind of figured out everything right from the start. We had our budget set, and we essentially handed it off. And ClarkPowell really just took and executed on everything that we had talked about without the need for me to be involved in every facet of the project. I felt like, ClarkPowell handled everything with sourcing subcontractors, working with our other general contractor and other folks in the building. And I feel like it was just a seamless process where I was pulled in when decisions were needed, but otherwise, I feel like there was so much that was probably happening on a day-to-day basis that I didn't know about. And I feel like that was good for somebody who this isn't my day-to-day, and I felt like that was the best process for us to be able to truly have somebody who could handle all that for us.